You already know who it is, man. Young D the Pilot, Matt Netta Records, Autopilot Music. I know y'all been waiting for the Black Emperor mixtape, man. Here a little sneak peek right here. Yeah, here we go. Hey, look. It's the one that they love to hate. I ain't mad. Why? I love they hate. Cause I'm doing something positive, good, I'm great. Tell Bob McDonald I control the state. Got a part in me. I done made mistakes. Smoking strawberry kush, eating tasty cakes. Send the LOL and the smiley face to all the backstabbers trying to take my place. Gotta reach my goals. Keeping up the pace. You can procrastinate. I lead the race. I'ma raise the bar. Make the groupies faint. Drive off the lot with the paper plate. Can't hold me back. Breaking through the gates. Can't keep me down. I'm in the clouds today. Hey, fuck all y'all. That's all I got to say. It's the pilot, babe. Now let's fly away. The Black Emperor. Yeah, and I am the Black Emperor. And this is the Black Emperor. Yeah. Matt Netta. Autopilot Music. That's what it is, man. 2011, man. We taking over this shit, man. Well, I'm taking over this shit anyway, man. You already know what it is. Shout out to everybody that been holding me down from the beginning. You know what I mean? People that's still here. You know what I mean? That's a little something for y'all. Facebook, MySpace, YouTube, Twitter. You know what I mean? Go with your boy. Follow me.